Everyone thinks the best-selling smart car gadgets are the only ones worth considering. But is that really true? If you take a closer look, you'll realize there are some hidden gems that might actually suit your needs better.
Product number 1, Astro AI L7 Tire Inflator. This compact air compressor caught my eye because of its impressive 150 PSI capability and the price, just $22.99. If you want to avoid flat tires and ensure your car is always road ready, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The L7 features an advanced True Gauge screen that collects pressure data at a rate of 200 times per second. That means you'll get accurate readings every time, crucial for tire safety. With its 4,000 mAh battery, it can refill up to 8 tires on a full charge, and it can go from 30 to 36 PSI in just 1.5 minutes. This is exactly what you need for a quick roadside fix or when you're heading out on a long trip. Now, some people complain that the noise level at 80 decibels can be a bit loud. Here's the thing though, it's a small price to pay for the convenience and speed it offers. If you're in a hurry, a little noise is a minor trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're someone who frequently travels or just wants peace of mind while driving. Skip this one if you mainly use heavy-duty tires, as it's not compatible with them. For $22.99, it's a solid investment for any car owner. Now, if the Astro AI's noise level bothers you, this next one takes a different approach with its functionality.
Product number 2, Listen Retractable Car Charger. The Listen Retractable Car Charger is priced at $16.99. What caught my eye here is its 4-in-1 functionality. If you want to keep all your devices powered up without the clutter, this is definitely worth a look. The Listen charger features dual retractable cables for both USB-C and old iPhone connectors, extending up to 31.5 inches. It charges up to 4 devices simultaneously, keeping your car organized and your devices powered during commutes and road trips. With 84-watt power, it ensures fast charging, so you won't be stuck waiting around. This is ideal for families or anyone who juggles multiple devices on the go. However, some users have mentioned that it doesn't support CarPlay or data transfer. Now here's the thing, if you just need a reliable charger for power and not data, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's perfect for keeping everyone's devices charged without the mess. This is great for busy families or anyone who often travels with multiple devices. Skip this if you need data transfer capabilities, but for $16.99, it's a fantastic addition to any car. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for emergency preparedness.
Product number 3, Amazon Basics Emergency Escape Tool. The Amazon Basics Emergency Escape Tool, which you can grab for just $8.88. I was drawn to its practical design, especially for safety-minded drivers. If you care about being prepared for emergencies, this is definitely worth considering. This nifty tool combines a window breaker and a seatbelt cutter, crucial for escaping dangerous situations. The tungsten hammerhead is 3 times stronger than carbon steel, so it can easily break through car windows if needed. Plus, it comes with a protective bracket for safe storage in your car. Knowing you have a reliable escape tool can genuinely make you feel safer on the road. However, some users pointed out that the hammer doesn't work on laminated glass. Here's the thing though, while that's a valid concern, it's still an essential tool for most vehicles that do have standard windows. It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. This is perfect for anyone who values safety and preparedness while driving. Skip this one if you have a vehicle with only laminated glass, but for $8.88, you can't go wrong with enhancing your car's safety. Now, if you find yourself always losing items in your car, the next product is going to help solve that issue for you.
Product number 4, Hisenlo Car Seat Gap Filler. The Hisenlo Car Seat Gap Fillers, priced at $11.99. This caught my attention because I know how annoying it is to lose small items down that pesky gap between the seat and the console. If you want to stop losing your essentials, this is worth checking out. These gap fillers are designed to block the crevice, preventing your phone, keys, and other small items from dropping out of reach. Made from durable PU leather, they're easy to clean and fit snugly between your seat and console, eliminating distractions while driving. This means a safer drive and a tidier car. Now, some buyers express concerns about the fit, especially for smaller gaps. Here's my take. As long as you measure your seat gap correctly, they should work fine. If your gap is suitable, this is a simple yet effective solution. This is perfect for anyone tired of digging around for lost items while driving. Skip this one if your seat gap is larger than 2.3 inches, but for $11.99, it's a small investment in a much more organized car. Alright, that last product was practical, but if you're always misplacing your stuff, this final product is going to save you even more time.
Product number 5, Rake Key Finder. We have the Rake Key Finder, priced at $16.99. This little gadget grabbed my attention because of its simplicity and effectiveness in solving the problem of lost items. If you're tired of misplacing your keys or other valuables, you'll want to consider this. The Rake Key Finder comes with 4 receivers and a remote that locates lost items up to 131 feet away. That means if you misplace your keys in your car, you can easily find them with a press of a button. The 80 dB plus sound is loud enough to hear, even in a busy environment, and the built-in LED flashlight is a nice touch for finding things in the dark. This is an excellent tool for anyone who tends to forget where they put things. However, some reviewers mention that the range can be affected by walls or obstacles. Here's why this isn't a deal breaker. Even with some limitations, it's still significantly better than searching blindly. It's a lifesaver for anyone who frequently misplaces their essentials. This is perfect for forgetful folks or those who just want to keep track of their valuables. Skip this if you prefer app-based trackers, but at $16.99, it's a straightforward solution to a common problem.
We have the Astro AI tire inflator for emergency readiness, the Lysen retractable charger for tech-savvy families, the Amazon Basics escape tool for safety, the Hisianlo gap fillers for organization, and the Rake Key Finder for lost items. Each of these gadgets offers unique benefits that can make your driving experience smoother and safer. Pick the one that fits your needs best.